No fucking way. We're live. We're live. Oh my god. We are. Okay. I'm li- Let me leave this call. Okay, y'all. We're live. So yeah, this is a thing now. We have a tornado warning here in Texas, near Hipple, County. This is just south of Canadian. I'm lagging. I'm really lagging. Like my microphone. My microphone is. Um, on my side it's echoing. Um, turn up my microphone volume. Test. Oh, okay. This is this is a thing now, y'all. So I guess we'll just have to see. All right, we do have a Okay, yeah, I guess according to WSV3. Okay, yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm watch over here in Colorado and New Mexico. That does include Colorado Springs. This is just south of Denver. In New Mexico, this does include Las Vegas, New Mexico, but not you know big New Mexico. Um, the area of rotation here um on this storm south of Canadian is right over here in the tornado warning. So that there it is. If there were to be a tornado, it would be right here. This is one of the products we use for um things there. So yep, the new warnings will pop up above, and it also does list the warning. So if you see your county, it does go by counties. So if you see your county there, um, depends on what warning. Um, Over here, no, that is not rotation. That is not rotation. That is literally, that's contamination. I don't know why I said literally, but yep. Can't. Okay. Yeah, that's just contamination. There's nothing wrong with that. But this storm, this is rotation. Somewhere in this storm. They all like the stream loadout. The stream layout. Just had to kick my computer because the fan was going crazy. All right. Sorry if the warning count goes off the screen. Working on fixing that. Oh, I could just do. Oh, yeah, perfect. Okay. Um, is the stream loadout the uh layout good? Um, Inspired by Ryan Hall, I guess. There's the tornado. Oh, yep, that's good enough. Yep. below. Yep, so today is mostly a damaging wind and hail event, but we could get an occasional tornado or two. Um, that's nothing to worry about. Well, of course, if you're in the warning. New warning up here in the severe thunderstorm watch. Trying to get a good view on that. It's kind of in a radar hole, so it's going to be a bit hard to focus on. Yeah, if that's not contamination, that is probably very large hail. I can use a product here. Mean estimated hail size. That could not always, but that could be up to 1.6 inches. Oh, I just had a stroke. That could be very large hail. Like, of course, this over here is contamination, of course. There's just another product. That's, where it is inside of the storm. But, yep, if it's not damaging winds, if it's not a tornado, it is hail. Yeah, that's contamination. That is contamination. Yep, you could definitely see the rotation with this storm. We could have two areas of rotation potentially. It definitely does depend on the environment. But yeah, potentially two areas of rotation within this tornado windstorm. This is moving southeast, 146 degrees at 10 miles per hour. So mostly a slow moving storm. Um, yeah, so it's a pretty slow moving storm. You could literally see where the rotation travels. You know, it's kind of stationary. It's kind of stationary. So if there were to be a tornado, it would be pretty slow. Yeah, that was contamination. Usually when it shows over an inch hail, and it's far away from radar, of course that's contamination. I actually know somebody that lives down here, so let's check on this. Um, this does include Sacramento, Weed, Hay Canyon, and Cox Canyon. What? Can y'all please point out where the storm? Where, where's the storm at? Like, actually, what? Where is the storm? That's a really low precipitation supercell. Huh? And the maybe it's because it's near a mountain. This is kind of confusing. You know, this is kind of confusing me a little bit. It's either they got actual reports. Let's see, hail reports. Like, I really don't know why they would issue a warning for that. Checking up on this cell here near Canadian, east of Miami. Yeah, so I don't know why they issued a tornado. I mean, a severe thunderstorm warning for that one down there in New Mexico. Also, Mexico discussion. Um, yeah, so you can definitely see the severe potential. Basically, it will show on screen. There's severe potential, heavy rainfall in winter. there's a heavy rainfall one. Be right back. Let me sneeze. All right, I've lived um near the Chicago area. Looks like we just have one radar to cover the entire area that I'm talking about for these storms. Yeah, that's a mini supercell. Hail, I'd say, is the main um is the main little culprit there. Yeah. Tornado potential low. Very low. We have a slight risk, so yeah, it was downgraded, I think. There is a 2% probability of tornadoes. It's kind of weird how these tornado warnings are moved out of the 2% before they produce a tornado. So I definitely shift the 2% more south. Hail percent 15 percent. So of course, oh, and we do have a significant hail risk and no significant wind risk, which is surprising. So I see the main area that we're focusing on today would be right here. So if there to be enhanced risk, it would be right there. Um, we also could have a little system forming here. I'm pretty sure that was the first event today. I don't really remember. I was not even home most of today. But yeah, that could. I'm pretty sure it was a line. Now it's might be dying a little bit. But we need to keep an eye on it as it does move. I'm pretty sure directly east. But yeah, this will pose mostly a damaging wind threat. If we can get thunderstorm wind gusts. Alright, so on this tornado wind storm, we got a thunderstorm wind gust of 63 miles per hour. This was um trusted source measured by West Texas Mesonet. Um yeah, so that's the area in that tornado warning. We filter by magnitude today. Um, wow, so 43 mile per hour wind gust in Georgia, 43 in Florida, 44 in South Carolina. I'm pretty sure that's Myrtle Beach. Oh, no. And then I'd say our highest wind gust today was over here on that tornado warning, which is pretty not impressive, I guess. I mean, it is a tornado warning storm, but we need to keep an eye on that too. We've been keeping an eye on it most of the stream. I'll be right back. Um, Let me fix something. Actually, no, it's fine. Terrain control. Ocean. Solid color only. Much better. Okay. Yep, only two tornado warnings in effect, and those are centralized on one storm. I mean, I definitely do see the rotation with that storm, but it's not strong, which is good. Biggest threat right now is the wind and hail, but tornado risk maybe a few tornadoes, mostly isolated. Yep, and all you really have to do is just wait. Um, what the? Well, all right, so yeah, we are. Um, yeah, cope. Give me a minute here. All right, so yeah, we are focusing on these roads. Moving into Texas. I just having like audio of me kind of like in the background, and I just heard a massive sound. Yeah, today will be like centralized. I mean, it's mostly gonna be in one isolated area, but like storms and all that will be everywhere. Um, so yeah, today is the day to kind of like go live. It's either 10% tornado risk or above, or whenever I kind of feel like it. I just pulled off a piece of skin. Um, Sorry for being so quiet. I'm checking something here. Um, Give me a minute. Sorry, we'll probably end the last room around the 25-minute mark. I forgot that it was downgraded to a slight risk, but this is just an overview live stream, I guess. I'll probably retitle it, like overview. Like I'll put like instead of where the live is, I'm gonna put overview, tracking severe storms, or um, you know, I'll just put like archive or something on it. Yeah, so the hail with this storm isn't really that bad, but the wind gusts are up to 60 to maybe even 70 miles per hour. Um, the severe thunderstorm warning saying, yeah, it's considerable. 2-inch hail, 70-mile-per-hour wind gust. Um, so that's pretty sure baseball. No, it's golf ball size tail. Um, yeah. All I have to do is just kind of wait. Um, Thank you all for everybody who have joined the live stream so far. Sorry, checking something again. I'm trying to see if we can get any storm reports. Um, wow, today has been crazy. Pretty successful live stream, I'd say, for like our first one. We got 3 views. I mean, all right. I'll see you guys like later. Have a good one. Bye.